Excuse me, would you mind if we switch seats?
Oh, sure. May I ask why?
My friend's sitting over there, and we booked separately by mistake.
Ah, that makes sense. Where's your seat?
Just a couple of rows behind window side.
Oh, I actually like window seats. That works out.
Really? That's great. Thank you so much.
No problem at all. Let me just grab my bag.
Take your time. I'll wait.
All right, all set. You can sit here now.
Thanks again. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. Enjoy the flight with your friend.
I will. Hope you have a comfortable one too.
Thanks. I already feel like I upgraded my seat.
Glad it worked out for both of us.
Good morning, sir.
You seem a little nervous today.
Yeah, I really want to speak English, but I'm scared I'll say something wrong.
That's all right. Everyone feels that way in the beginning.
But people laugh when I make mistakes.
Let them laugh. You're learning something they already know.
I never thought of it that way.
The truth is, the more you speak, the faster you'll improve.
So, even if I say it wrong, I should still try?
Exactly. Mistakes are proof that you're learning.
That sounds encouraging. What should I do first?
Talk a little every day. Read aloud. Listen and repeat.
Okay, I can do that. I just need to stop being afraid.
That's the spirit. Confidence comes before fluency.
Thank you, sir. I'll keep practicing until I get it right.
I know you will. Don't stop. You're already on the right path?
Hi, I'm looking for a place to rent. Just a small one-bedroom apartment.
Sure. We have one available near Maple Avenue.
Oh, nice. What's the monthly rent?
It's $820 per month, and that includes water and internet.
Okay, what about electricity?
That's separate. You'll pay based on your meter reading.
Got it. Is the apartment furnished?
Yes, it has all the basics. A bed, a small sofa, a dining table, and a fridge.
That's great. How about the deposit?
It's 1 month's rent upfront, refundable when you leave.
All right, is it close to public transport?
Yes, the bus stop is just 2 minutes away.
Perfect. Can I have a look at it today?
Sure thing. I'll call the landlord and arrange a quick viewing.
That would be awesome. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. I hope you like the place. Excuse me, I just missed my flight.
Oh no, which flight was it?
The one to New York. Flight 607.
Let me check. Yes, it departed 10 minutes ago.
Oh no, I was stuck at security.
Don't worry, there's another flight in 2 hours.
Really? Can I get a seat on that one?
Yes, but you'll need to pay a small rebooking fee.
That's fine. Please do it.
All right, done. Here's your new boarding pass.
Thank you so much. You just saved my day.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight this time.
I definitely will. I'm not missing it again. Hi there. Excuse me. Could you help us for a moment?
Sure, what can I do for you?
We're heading to the Oceanside Hotel. Is there a train that goes there directly?
Yes, but it's not a straight ride. You'll have to change trains twice.
Oh, I see. That might be difficult for us. There are 4 of us, and we have big suitcases.
Right, with that much luggage, it could be tricky. A taxi might be more comfortable. It's faster and easier door to door.
How much would the taxi cost?
Around $50 total.
And the train?
About $15 per person, one way.
So the taxi is actually cheaper and easier.
Exactly. And with 4 people, it's the better option.
That makes sense. We'll take the taxi then.
Great choice. Go straight through the main exit, then turn left. You'll see the taxi sign right outside.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a pleasant trip. Hello, this is Claire from Sunnybrew Cafe. Am I speaking with Ryan?
Yes, this is Ryan. Good afternoon.
Hi, I'm calling about your cafe assistant application. Are you still available for the position?
Yes, I am. Thank you for reaching out.
Great. Have you ever worked in a cafe before?
Not in a cafe, but I've worked at a small bakery. I helped customers and handled cash.
That sounds good. This role includes making drinks and cleaning tables. Are you comfortable with that?
Yes, absolutely. I enjoy working with people.
Perfect. The shifts are mostly mornings from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. The pay is $22 per hour.
That works perfectly for me. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. We'll confirm your interview schedule by email soon.
Sounds great. Have a lovely day.
You too. Goodbye. Oh no, it stopped moving. Kids, don't panic, okay? Hello, can anyone hear me?
Yes, this is building security. Are you stuck in the elevator?
Yes, I'm here with my 2 children. It suddenly stopped between floors.
I understand. Is everyone all right?
We're fine, just a little scared. The lights are still on, but it's not moving.
That's good. Please stay calm. A technician is already on the way.
How long will it take?
About 10 to 15 minutes. We'll stay on the line with you.
Thank you. My kids are getting a bit nervous.
That's okay. Just keep talking to them and stay away from the doors.
All right, I appreciate your help.
You're very welcome. You're safe, and help is coming soon.
See, everything's okay. We just wait a little while. Excuse me, I'm sorry to bother you.
Yes? How can I help?
I'm trying to withdraw some cash, but I've never used an ATM like this before.
No problem at all. Do you have your card with you?
Yes, here it is.
All right. First, insert your card right here.
Okay, done.
Now, it will ask for your PIN number. Type it in carefully.
All right, got it.
Good. Now, select Withdraw Cash.
Okay, oh, it's asking for the amount.
You can choose one of the options on the screen or type the amount you want.
All right, I'll take out $50.
Perfect. The machine will count it for a few seconds. And here's your cash.
Oh, thank you so much. I was really confused for a minute.
No worries at all. Always remember to take your card back before you leave.
Right, got it. Thanks again for helping me out.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight. Good morning. Welcome to Global Air.
Good morning. May I have your passport and booking confirmation, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking in any luggage today?
Yes, just this suitcase.
All right. Please place it on the scale. Okay, it's a little over the weight limit.
Really? How much is it over?
The limit is 23 kilos, and your bag is 27.5 kilos.
Oh, I didn't realize it was that heavy. What are my options?
You can either pay a small overweight fee or move a few items into another bag.
Is it okay if I move some things into my cabin bag?
Yes, that's fine, as long as your cabin bag doesn't go over 7 kilos.
No problem. Let me check.
Take your time.
Okay, I moved some items. Can you weigh it again, please?
Of course. One moment. Great. Now your checked bag is 22.9 kilos. You're good to go.
That's a relief. Thank you for your patience.
Not a problem. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate is B14 and boarding starts at 9:20 a.m.
Perfect. Where do I go next?
Follow the signs to security check straight ahead.
Got it. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight. Hello there. Is this taxi free?
Yes, miss. Where would you like to go?
To the London Eye, please. I've heard the view from the top is amazing.
Ah, first time in London.
Yes, I just visited Buckingham Palace in Big Ben. Now it's time for the London Eye.
Great choice. It's one of the best spots to see the whole city.
I can't wait. How long will it take to get there?
About 15 minutes if the traffic is kind to us.
Perfect. And do I need to buy a ticket in advance?
Not necessarily, but it's faster if you book online. Saves you from the long queue.
Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Would you like me to drop you near the ticket office or by the Riverside entrance?
Riverside, please. I want to take some photos first.
Good plan. The Thames looks beautiful today.
I'm already excited. London is even better than I imagined.
Glad to hear that. Let's get you to the London Eye then.